Hello students. So today we are going to do question number 9 part 1 of exercise 12.1 of this chapter number 12, algebraic formulae. So the question says express the following as the whole square and find the value of 64a square plus 16a plus 1 where a is equal to 1. So read the question very carefully. Some of you have got the tendency of just putting the value of a in this given expression, like some of you just write this 64a square plus 16a plus 1 and then simply put the values of a in there and find out the value of this, which is completely wrong. If you do the sum in this manner in the examination, then no marks can be awarded. You can see that the direction is clearly mentioned in the question that express the following as a whole square first, then you can put the values there. So whatever the expression is given, you have to first convert this into the whole square expression first, then you can put the values. So let me first write a given expression 64a square plus 16a plus 1, right? Now this entire expression has to be converted into whole square form. Okay, so you can see this is nothing but 8a square, right? Again we are leaving some space for the second part, for the second thing. Then for 1 we can write 1 square, right? 1 square will give you 1 and this is our b, so therefore you are getting a square plus b square. Now you should get a 2ab over here, so this will give you 2 into 8a into 1, right? Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, so you can write 8a plus 1 whole square. Okay, don't forget to mention the formula, since a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, right? Putting a is equal to 1, we get, since you have expressed this given expression into a whole square form, now you can put the value of a in the given expression, not in the given expression but in the whole square form, and then find out the value of this. So 8 into 1, I have simply put the values of the value of a in the place of a in the given expression, in this expression. So 8 into 1 plus 1 whole square, right? I hope this step is clear. Over here in the place of a, I have simply put the value of a. Now this will give you 8 plus 1 whole square. This is nothing but 9 square, which is 81. So therefore the answer is 81. That's all for this video. Thank you.